Hello guys, welcome back and I hope you're doing well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my aloe vera leave-in conditioner for hydrated hair. Before we get to the video, let's look at what aloe vera juice can actually do for your hair. Aloe vera chalk is full of vitamin A. Vitamin A aids in preventing hair loss, thickening hair, and also accelerating hair growth. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects against oxidative stress. Vitamin C creates protein known as collagen, which is an important part of hair structure, and also it is vital for hair growth. Vitamin E. Vitamin E supports healthy hair and scalp as its natural antioxidants assist in maintaining hair growth. Vitamin E helps reduce oxidative stress and free radicals that cause the hair follicles to break down. Also, aloe vera chalk is full of minerals and water, which helps to keep your skin and hair hydrated for the longest time. My aloe has some yellow stuff as it is freshly plucked out from its plant. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash it first. By the way, I'll be using 2 leaves, but one is perfectly fine. After washing, now my aloe is ready to be cut, so I start by cutting off these spiky things on both sides. I measured and left 11 centimeters from the tail of the leaf to use it for leaf propagation. Then I'm going to cut reasonable chunks, so this aloe chalk in between the green skin is what I want. Now I will use a thick knife to remove the first skin, and afterwards I'm going to use a tablespoon to help me scoop out the chalk from the leaf. So guys, this is what I managed to get from the 2 leaves. Now I'm going to put it in a blender. So guys, this is what you must eliminate from your aloe chalk. This is the yellow stuff that was left when I was actually cutting it first. Firstly, I'm going to blend my aloe on the low, then I'm going to move to high just for personal preference. There is no need for you to add water when blending. The chalks have enough water to help your blender crush the chalks. After blending, this is what you have. My juice has some foam at the top, and also some tiny chalk molecules is also filtered in between the juicy slime. So I'm going to use my hair scarf folded more than 4 times. Then I'm going to tie a knot. Then I'm going to use my hand just to dig a little hole. Then I'm going to pour my aloe vera mixture and wait for the process to complete by itself. So whatever that is left, I'm actually going to use it for my aloe vera oil. Now I have this milky juice resembling palm wine. Now I am ready to customize my leave-in. So I'll add this water and vegetable glycerin alongside with aloe vera, but you can go ahead and just use the aloe vera juice. That the way it is, guys, it will do like a wonderful job. So guys, there you have it. This is basically how I like to make my aloe vera leave-in conditioner to avoid it flaking and actually irritating my scalp. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I customize my shampoos and deep conditioner for massive hair growth. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.